Welcome to Real World AIP. I'm Stacey, and today I just want to do a quick video to show you how I cut avocado because it took me like years to figure out how to do it without making a mess. I hate having green avocado smeared all over my cutting board and having extra dishes to wash. And I finally, after all this time, and I might have been able to Google it and come up with this. I don't know if I'm sure it's out there, but anyway, I figured it out on my own the hard way. I came up with a way to not make a bunch of dirty dishes and just for it to be easy. So I take the avocado, peel the sticker off, and there's always this like hard thing, the stem thing, and you gotta get that off. Just take that off or it's gonna get in the way of the knife. All right. You take a regular old steak knife, doesn't have to be super sharp, and be careful. And you just wanna cut right down the middle, work it around the core. You'll feel it just going around the core. Meet where you started. Okay, perfect. And then we're going to do it again crosswise. So we have this cut this way, now we're going to make one that way. Same way. Just ease it in and then work around the core. You'll feel it. Just try to meet up where you started. Okay. Now, this is cut that way and that way. So now we're just kind of work with it until whoop, a piece falls off, right? Now we have 4 even pieces. This is how I'm going to keep it in the fridge because it's not going to brown when it's surrounded by the core. The way I keep this in the fridge is in a bowl with plastic wrap on it, and then I keep the knife there. This is always in the fridge like this, so anytime I want some avocado, I pull it out and I show you what I do with it. I take that piece and very carefully, so you don't break the skin. The skin's pretty hard. If you want just slices, just go right into the skin. And they come right out. Just kind of work them out with your thumb. There you have it, sliced avocado. No mess, just the knife. I'll show you another way you can do it. Here it is. You can go crossways, horizontally first if you want chopped avocado. And then down like that. And this just it's going all over the floor. Anyway, it just comes right out like that. It's just perfect. So, I mean, the only thing I dirtied outside of my floor is this knife. And I'm gonna keep this knife in the fridge with my avocado, so anytime I need some avocado, I just pull the bowl out, cut it, put the avocado on my food, put it back in the fridge. No dishes, no mess. Hope that helps you. If you like this video, subscribe below. I post every Thursday, sometimes Sunday, and I hope to see you soon, and until then, be healthy.